welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Joy. If you're new here, I create fashion from scratch using thrifted fabrics, free sewing patterns, and a whole lot of creativity. And today you're about to see one of my favorite makes so far. I made a two-piece denim set that is a bodysuit and a pair of high-waisted cargo pants using the Adenia bodysuit patterned by Mood Fabrics and the UP1001 high-waisted wide leg pants patterned by Unfettered patterns. And both of these are completely free, by the way. I'm going to show you step by step how I got to achieve this look. So whether you want to start sewing, or you just love watching fashion content that feels a little more relatable, make sure to stay till the end because you do not want to miss how this turned out. So let's get to the table and you can get cutting.
Taking my time to look at you after all the way you've been through, wondering how you can do it. Kissing me good, what's on you? She the one you've been dying for, keeping you out here more and more. You've been missing in your IG, get you out of here for hiding. You can't hide the truth, but I know why you want my cold on hold. Every time I found out you got reasons not to be around, but you fucked it well, you should praise yourself. I'm done putting my trust on you. I'm done putting Never knew, never thought that she would be the one that I needed most. I was such a fucking ass for cheating on you. Cause when I see the tears, I know I've lost ya. Yeah, I can have a million reasons, but there would be no reason for redemptions. Yeah, I can have some explanations, but how can I change the situation?
I have all of my pattern pieces cut out, and these are my top, or rather my bodysuit, and these are my cargo pants pieces. The only thing that I cut out that is not in the pattern are these pieces that are going to make up my cargo pieces. These will be the top flaps and these will be the pockets. And other than that, everything is from the pattern. Now let's go to the sewing machine and we can start sewing the trouser. I've made the top so many times, so I know what is happening, but for the trouser I need to do a lot. So I'll start with the trouser, and I'm going to first make the pieces whole, and by that I mean I'm going to be attaching the back yoke to the back, and then attaching the front pockets to the front, and then doing the fly, and then we can now join everything together. Now that the pockets are done, as you can see, they're so pretty. I want to focus on the fly area. I have this metallic zipper that I seam ripped from another jeans trouser. I'm working on a recycling jeans trouser project. Make sure to watch out for that. And this is where I got the zipper. I have my 2 fly pieces. My battery died. I got mad. I went down with this back. Just see how good it looks. So what I did, I attached the back yoke to the back pieces, and then I attached the back pockets. So for this piece right here, attaching the back to the back yoke, I did an overlaid seam. And for this pocket, I just top stitched everything in place. And the back seam, that is the back crotch seam, I also did an overlaid seam. Okay, let's join the back to the front at the side seams.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm trying to make you my property. Better yet, buy me some.
My side seams are done. Really cute. As you can see, I love the contrast so much. So those are the side seams. I'm still debating whether I should do the side pockets for it to be a cargo pant, but I am really tired. It's 10 p.m. so I'm thinking I should just leave it at this for today, and then tomorrow I can come attach the cargo pocket, then do the inleg seam, which I'm thinking, because of how difficult the side seams were, I'm thinking of just doing a normal front seam for the inleg, and then I can attach the waistband and the belt loops.
Property, 'cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Don't wanna take it. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no
Okay, so I did a front seam for the inleg seam and everything is done. What is left is the waistband and hemming, and because I'm afraid of the waistband, I'll start with the hemming part.
So baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now? Cause I really hate you. You made me so blue, and I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games.
The cargo pants are done. I just need to trim a couple of threads and that's it. I am so excited. I can't wait to try this on. But if I do, you all know I want to get started on the other one and it's really late. So let's start on the bodysuit. With the cargo pants done, we are now getting started on the bodysuit, and I have done this as a corset so much on my channel. I link all the videos. Now I want to start up by joining the cups, and then I will join these pieces together using an overlaid seam. This is the side front, this is the front, and this is the back. But before I join them, I will have to do the back dart.
No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't leave me in the next life or the next one again. Cause I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll...
My cups are done and this is how we're looking. Really cute, but I don't know why I'm not feeling this color for the top, but anyway.
So baby, it's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health. I swear you go to hell. Take the L. I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby. But we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud. Are you happy now?
Before I start working on the center back, I'm going to be attaching my cups, and that is just right sides touching.
I really hate you. Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you.
With the cups done, just see how pretty that is. Oh my god, it's really cute. Hemming is left, and before we do that, we're going to add a zipper. This is the only zipper that I had.
But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
So at this point I expected myself to be done, but I ended up seam ripping almost everything. This is the side seam and this is one piece of the back. So I had already attached the zipper, as you can see. I even have the stitches still there. but I realized that it cannot work at the back, and I've always made this corset as just a normal corset without the bodysuit part, and I've always added a zipper at the back, and it has always worked out. But given that now it's a bodysuit, I don't think the back will work out, so I now see why they have the zipper at the side on the website. Sometimes it's good to follow instructions. Zipper is on. I have a white zipper, I know. That is because I had a gray zipper. As you saw, it broke. The first time I fixed it, the second time it broke to the point I could not fix it, so I used this zipper. Anyway, let's get to hemming and we can get done with this.
No, there's no more saving face. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't leave me in the next life and the next one again. 'Cause I really hate you. 'Cause you made me so blue.
And with that, this set is complete. I love it so much. It took me a while, it stressed me out, but it's complete. I'm just finishing up on these threads. I need to make sure that everything is clean, given that they are white threads. If I leave any, they're going to look really weird and really awkward, especially these areas that I seam ripped. So I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to show you the final look. I can't wait. This is how we're looking. I love it. I love it. Let me just show you how long the trouser is. It covers my toes and everything. Yeah, this is definitely to be worn with heels. It's giving couture, right? And this is the back. Honestly, I love it so much. It doesn't make me look like I have no butt. So I am obsessed. Let me know your favorite piece of the two in the comment section. Mine is definitely the pants because they look so amazing and they were kind of easy to make, and I love it so much. And the height and the pockets. This pocket is so big. And let's not talk about this one. It's giving men's jeans, like how deep the pockets are. Love. The only reason I didn't choose the top is because I hated the process of making this, because I seam ripped, I undid things, I did them, I undid again, the zipper broke, the machine broke. Anyway, it was a long process and I did not like it. It was a hard thing to it was not the best thing to do, but we conquered, and this is the set. So let me know your favorite piece. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.